We'll do a video here on a new unused MS36C from MMS Industrial. We got a 38-inch bucket on there with the quick disconnect for all your implements you might want to purchase. Makes it super easy. Very simple machine to run and operate, even for a beginner. Gas powered engine. Got the onboard fan switch, which is nice. Flip that switch there if you're going to be working it. All right, got the auxiliary hydraulics. You can add an implement, auger, all kinds of different implements. Let's fire it up real quick, give you a quick demo. So you got the main power switch, got to always flip that on, and you got your power. There you have it. We got other videos of them driving around and all that. Not gonna have time to do one today, but come check it out preview day, Friday before the sale. We'll be here to answer any questions you might have. Other than that, we'll see you preview day. Thanks for watching 777 Auctions.